is the secondary star system. What do we call the secondary star system?
Well, a lot of people refer to it as the Emiru system because
Okay.
Emiru is so big that it would take 7 photographs to get it in one thing. It is behind, if you look at some of the sun pictures out there and you see that our yellow soul is right there, and then there's this weird little red ring around it, and then way farther out is this brownish red haze behind most of the pictures that you're going to get right now. That brownish red haze is Emiru.
Okay, so is the Emiru system on the same plane as the Sol system?
Well, now you're thinking plane because you're thinking Einstein, because Einstein has set forth that we're traveling around on a dinner plate in the same place every day, year after year. That's not how stars travel. Stars travel through virgin space every day, and we follow around our star in a spiral, because we live in an electrical universe, not gravitational. We follow in it's like when you pull a sock out of the dryer, you get 3 other socks because they pull. And the stars are the magnet, and the planets are like protons, and neutrons are like moons and dead bodies, and electrons are like comets and all of that. And a degradation of radiation and that sort of thing of the overall compound that are 2 solar systems, which have become, they're not elements, they're a compound, a joined or an astro-atomic chemistry equation, which is the unification model that Einstein thought and sought, and the Heisenberg Commission of the 1890s was always seeking a unification model. And the trick is that what works in the subatomic actually also works in the astro-atomic. It's space chemistry. I know it's hard to fathom, but that's everything works electrically.
Well, are you saying that, so when I think of the solar system, I think of the sun in the middle and everything coming out of that on a plane, for the most part, in a flat disk. Are you saying this is not the case?
Think of it as we travel sideways rather than with the dinner plate in front of you. Think of the star heading one direction, and we travel in a corkscrew behind them. You can type that up on you. It's called a helical model of the solar system spiral.